You've posted a video on TikTok but accidentally turned off comments. Or maybe you did it on purpose and changed your mind later. No problem. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to turn comments back on for any TikTok post. It's simple, quick, and clear. But before we start, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you're always up to date with my latest videos. So, first open your TikTok app and sign into your profile if you haven't already. Once you're in TikTok, the next thing you need to do is tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. On your profile page, look at the top right corner and tap the 3 lines, menu icon. From the menu that appears, choose Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the Settings page. Once you're in the settings, scroll down until you find the Activity Center section and tap on it. In that section, you'll see a number of different options. Find the one that says Manage Comments Permission and tap on it. After that, you'll see a list of all your posts. Find the post where you want to enable comments and tap on it. You can also select multiple posts at once. Then, tap the next button at the bottom of the screen. In the menu that appears, tap on Allow Comment and then tap on the Update button right after that. And that's it. Comments are now successfully turned back on for that post, and viewers can leave their comments just like before. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'll be happy to help. See you soon, and thanks so much for watching.